a lumberjack or the Lorax, you probably can't deny that forestry and flora are likely the most important aspects to clean industry today, whether it's fostering biodiversity or reducing emissions as major carbon sinks. However, these days gardening and conservation are rarely spoken about. Natural vegetation phased out for wasteful irrigation, and gardening gatekept by inaccessible information. Enter IOGarden, a web-based application that displays, logs, analyzes, and synthesizes plant data across a dynamic map, making gardening more engaging and environmentally efficient. From the moment we open the app, we're greeted by a fully functional authentication page, which caches our users to our MongoDB database during login. Once we sign in, we're immediately greeted by the main map overlay of IOGarden. The first thing you may notice are the bundles of carrots crowded around the map. Each of these icons represents a separate plant object within the database, chock full of important information that any gardener might need. Just click on the icon and you'll be greeted by a React component dashboard showing important stats like its geolocation, how long until it needs to be watered, and its optimal soil pH. And you can see a diverse set of plant objects all across the globe, imported from a global dataset to show its scalability. To create your own plant object, you can either click on any point in the map to log the plant there, or use the Add Plant button in the bottom left to log a plant at your current location. Regardless of what you choose, you'll then be prompted for an image upload. Let's try with the lovely houseplant we have here. We'll take a picture, feed it into IOGarden, and our Flask backend will feed a location call for Mapbox and API calls for current weather and ecological species into a highly prompted Gemini model to parse key indicators and personalize care guides. Our water time will also theoretically go down after several hours to remind the user when to water again. And if you want to delete an object, just click on the icon, exit out, and watch this poor little carrot be ripped out the ground. Want to search for plants by name? Use the search bar and consult the drop-down to see all matching results. And want to see where these plants are? Just click on what you're interested in and jump directly to it. Maybe you don't want to search by name, and instead are going on a walk and want to see all the plants near you. Tap Ctrl-K to pull up the geoquery menu and pull up all the plants in a radius around you. All of this powered by MongoDB Atlas's geospatial tools. And maybe you don't even know where to start with gardening and just want some beginner tips. Then use the Gemini guide feature down below and receive an itemized list of the optimal plants to grow and beginner tips based on your current location. IOGarden is for everyone, whether you're a lifetime farmer looking to water your plants with only the amount it needs, helping to shave off part of the 1/3 of global water waste that irrigation claims. Or maybe you're just a beginner, looking to get into gardening on your own and grow the global garden that currently absorbs over 30% of greenhouse gases. Either way, jump right in and revive gardening one scan at a time.